I just discovered something called Dalgona coffee. So you make it with instant coffee. I use the Cafe Diola Cinnamon Nescafe instant coffee. I use the Truvia Honestly Sweet as my sweetener. And this is 2 tablespoons of water. So it's like 1 to 1 to 1. Then I got my frother here from Amazon for about $9. So I start frothing the mixture. And you do it, I think it took about 2 to 3 minutes for it to get really frothy. And then it was time for me to put my drink together, honey. I got me some ice. Yes, that is the old school ice. I'm on vacation. And I use the silk almond milk because I do not drink milk. Yuck. Then I just add this frothy, delicious mixture, not by itself now, you gotta mix it with something. I add that to my almond milk, and let me tell you, it is the most delicious thing. Try it for yourself. It's so good. You won't go back to Starbucks.